Second topic was AI tools for helping developers write text metadata. So there's two main ones. The first one is free improved translation tool for all store listings, which is based on Google's language models. It may not have been the most impressive sounding feature when it was presented, but I'm very curious to see how well it will be rated by native speakers when looking at results. I do think it will still be important that app developers, when they use this tool, turn to a native speaker to review the results, but I do think it's going to be a great time saver. Other area where I do think it will have to be tested is really when it comes to keyword optimization. And that's because there is no indication that Google's models are trained specifically on store semantics. And since we know that sometimes two words like run and running have very different meanings in the Play Store when we wouldn't say they do in the real world, these are subtleties that may not be captured by this tool. Nevertheless, I would really think that it's going to be impactful to save a lot of time when writing text. And for now, Google only announced 10 languages. I'm sure there will be more quite soon. The other AI tool is called AI Helper by Google, and it's a prompt system to help write long descriptions from a somewhat short sentence. I do think this one is meant to have a big wow effect. I'm sure it will be heavily commented in the ASO community. I'm curious to test it, but to be honest, I was a bit disappointed with one thing in the demo video from Google, and that was the prompt seemed to be pre-formatted, which means you could not simply write a prompt like you would do in ChatGPT, but you would only have options to enter a couple words. So it will be interesting to see how that actually is implemented when it rolls out.